In this video, we're diving into the development of the Pump.Fun Telegram volume bot. We'll walk you through how we created this bot, covering wallet creation, fund transfers, and how it enhances volume on Pump.Fun. Plus, we have exciting news. This bot goes live tomorrow. Need support? Check out the links in the description. Let's get started. Pump.Fun is a decentralized platform that allows users to launch and trade tokens effortlessly. But trading volume plays a crucial role in a token's success. That's where our Pump.Fun Telegram volume bot comes in. This bot automates trades to simulate organic activity, boosting token visibility and attracting real traders. Let's walk through how we built it, starting with the fundamentals. Wallet creation. To execute trades, our bot needs multiple wallets. Here's how we automated wallet creation. 1. Using Solana CLI or SDKs. We generate multiple Solana wallets programmatically. 2. Secure private key storage. The bot encrypts and stores keys securely to prevent unauthorized access. 3. Multi-wallet rotation. To mimic organic activity, the bot switches between wallets for different trades. Pro tip: always use a secure method to store wallet keys, like encrypted databases or vault services. Once the wallets are created, we need to fund them. Here's how our bot handles fund transfers. Batch transactions. The bot consolidates SOL or USDC from a master wallet and distributes it to multiple wallets in batches. Automated top-ups. If a wallet balance drops below a threshold, the bot auto-funds it. Gas optimization. By grouping transactions, we reduce Solana network fees. With our wallets funded, the bot is now ready to start trading and boosting volume. Now let's break down how our bot operates in real time and how it ensures organic-looking volume. Multiple wallet creation. The bot generates and manages multiple Solana wallets to distribute trades across different addresses. Random order sizes. To mimic natural trading behavior, the bot executes orders with varying trade amounts instead of fixed sizes. Random delay between trades. Instead of placing orders instantly, the bot introduces random time gaps between trades to avoid detection. Automated fund transfers. The bot moves funds between wallets dynamically, ensuring they always have enough balance for seamless execution. Placing orders across multiple wallets. Instead of a single wallet executing trades, the bot spreads them across different addresses, making the activity look like multiple users trading. By combining these strategies, the bot ensures a realistic volume boost, making your token more attractive to traders and increasing visibility on Pump.Fun. Exciting news! Our Pump.Fun Telegram volume bot goes live tomorrow. If you want early access or have any questions, check out the links in the description to contact us. Make sure you're ready by setting up your wallets and funding them. This bot will be a game changer for token projects looking to gain traction on Pump.Fun. If you're ready to take your token's trading volume to the next level, our Pump.Fun Telegram volume bot is here to help. Want early access? Contact us now. Need support or have questions? Check out the links in the description. Ready to boost your project? Reach out and get started today. Don't miss out. This bot goes live tomorrow. Secure your access now and stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CryptoBot insights. Check out these recommended videos on setting up crypto bots and maximizing your trading strategies.